Hello again from the Bureau, at home ahead of an extremely cold and wet second half of the week across southern Australia. It's all downhill from here, I'm afraid, with rain, wind, snow and thunderstorms all on the way, and maximum temperatures around 8 to 14 degrees below average for this time of year. This is a very strong and widespread cold outbreak across the southeast, on the kind of scale we haven't seen in April since around 2008. So please keep an eye out for flood watches, severe weather warnings and sheep graziers warnings over the next few days. This is the cold front we've got our eye on, making its way up through the Bight and just clipping the southern coast of WA this morning. The front will strengthen further as it moves east and links up with the broad area of cloud ahead of it, currently over South Australia. Rain will be a main feature over the next few days, welcome in many areas, but causing riverine and flash flooding in others. We're expecting widespread falls of over 15 millimetres right across the southeast, from southern agricultural areas of South Australia through much of Victoria, western and northern Tasmania and parts of southern and western New South Wales, mostly during Wednesday and Thursday. Totals will be higher about the ranges in South Australia, and in northeast Victoria and along the southern ranges and slopes in New South Wales, we'll likely see peak falls of over 100 millimetres in some places. Flood watches are already in place for some catchments, and more will be issued over the coming day or two. Our confidence in the rain forecast is high, with all of the main computer models that we use here at the Bureau all telling the same story, particularly in relation to where the heaviest rain is likely to be. On top of rain, it's going to be cold, really cold, with strong winds, small hail and snow to low levels, and it won't be until early next week that we see any respite. The main front will arrive into southern and central parts of South Australia early on Wednesday and progress east into southern and western New South Wales, Victoria and Tasmania throughout the day. We'll see some thunderstorms with the passage of the front, and maximums will drop back to just the low to mid-teens behind it. Later on Wednesday is when the rain will intensify through northern Tasmania, northeast Victoria and along the slopes and ranges in New South Wales, along with strong northwesterly winds. But the coldest air will move into the southeast on Thursday, with gusty winds coming up from the Southern Ocean. For some parts of northern South Australia, northwest New South Wales and southwest Queensland, it will be their coldest April day since the 1960s or 1970s. And for alpine areas, the snow level will drop to as low as 800 metres by late Thursday, with blizzards developing about the peaks. With snow even expected in the central tablelands, maximums on Friday through Victoria and New South Wales will still be around 6 to 10 degrees below average, and some parts will see their coldest May day since the year 2000. The wintry weather will stay with us well into the weekend, with no real relief until early next week. For the capital cities, a top of only 13 in Melbourne on Thursday would make it the coldest April day since 1996. And on Friday, just 7 degrees in Canberra would make it their earliest sub-10 degree day this side of winter since 1952. But all the cold weather down south is great news for those in the top end, right on time for the official start of the dry season, a sunny and less humid day in Darwin on Saturday. So please, stay warm and stay safe over the next few days. Please follow all advice from emergency services and stay in touch with the Bureau on our website, app and social media for all the latest forecasts and warnings.